Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify insurance rebates with Nationwide step-by-step clearly. To verify insurance rebates with Nationwide, begin by gathering your policy information. Ensure you have your policy number handy. Visit the Nationwide website. Look for the Customer Service or Policyholder section. Click on the option that directs you to rebates or discounts. Log into your account using your registered credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Rebates section. Review the available rebates and eligibility criteria. Locate your specific policy and compare it with the rebate options. If you have questions about your eligibility, find the contact information for customer support. Use the chat feature or call the customer support number provided. Prepare to explain your policy details to the representative. Inquire specifically about the rebate amounts you may qualify for. Take notes on the information provided during the call or chat. After receiving confirmation, check if any additional steps are required to claim your rebate. Follow any instructions given, such as submitting forms or additional documentation. Keep track of your submission for future reference. Wait for confirmation regarding the rebate status. If there are delays or issues, reach out again to customer support for assistance. Once confirmed, monitor your account for the rebate credit or check. This ensures you receive your entitled discount efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.